Hello, welcome to the i3 Verticals I Learn training session for DMV Quarterly Tax Return Processing. This lesson is made up of two modules. In Module 1, we will discuss how to initiate a quarterly tax return, select jurisdictions, add mileage, and fuel data. In Module 2, we will discuss fee calculation, how to create an invoice, then complete the payment. Module 1. Initiating a quarterly tax return. After logging into the DMV application and agreeing to the disclaimer, the system will redirect to the customer dashboard area. On the left side of the screen, choose the Services menu. Then choose IFTA from the sub-menu. The site map screen will be displayed, and there will be multiple tiles, which provide you with various functionalities to choose from. On the tax return tile, click File Amend. The tax return search screen will be displayed. Account number will be pre-populated and disabled. The fuel type, return year, and return quarter drop-down lists are also pre-populated and may be updated as required. Enter fleet number and then click Proceed to display the Tax Return tab. On the tax return screen, review the index information located at the top of the screen. All original tax returns will display amendment number of 0. In the tax return information section, the postmark date is required and is defaulted to the current date. The jurisdiction details section will display a table of jurisdictions included for existing customers with a previously filed tax return. Customers with no previously filed tax returns must select the appropriate jurisdiction using the Jurisdictions List drop-down menu. To modify the jurisdiction table, access the Jurisdiction List drop-down menu and select Surrounding Jurisdictions. The user may remove jurisdictions from the table by selecting the checkbox next to the jurisdiction and click the Remove button. The Remove All button will remove all jurisdictions from the list. Then click Add. The selected jurisdiction list gets added to the table below. Enter the total miles traveled for each respective jurisdiction in column D. Column E is auto-populated with the same information as column D. The user can edit column E if required. In the tax paid gallons, enter amount for each jurisdiction. Once completed, scroll down to the Returns Details section to perform calculations. On the Return Details section, you need to add the totals from columns D and tax paid gallons from the table above to get the total miles and total paid gallons. Click the Calculate button to calculate the sum. The total column D and total column tax paid gallons fields will now be populated with the calculated sum from the table above. Next, input data in the total miles and total tax paid gallons field based on total miles and tax paid gallons. Then click the Calculate button again to obtain the MPG calculation, which will be displayed in the MPG field. The total miles and gallons that were entered will be compared to the totals calculated for columns D and G and non-IFTA jurisdictions mileage. Enter a comment if any of the following apply. Total taxable miles is different from total miles. You are claiming a distance exemption if the total from column G, gallons entered for all jurisdictions, is less than total miles, if non-contiguous miles are entered, or if MPG is less than 1. If everything looks accurate, click Proceed. On the tax return verification screen, review the details. If any correction is required, click on the back button to correct. If the details look accurate, choose Proceed to view the Payment tab.